Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be solving 785A Anton and Polyhedrons. So Anton's favorite geometric figures are regular polyhedrons. Note that there are 5 kinds of regular polyhedrons, alright? And it states that Antoine has a collection of n polyhedrons. One day he decides to know how many faces his polyhedrons have in total. Help Antoine and find this number. Alright. So what we're doing is just taking in the input, and then we have to take in the string, see which polyhedron it is, and then we just add the sides together or faces, and then we return that. All right, so another pretty decent problem, so we're gonna jump right into it. Right, so we need to include a few things. You need to be able to take an input and print the size. So I'm going to add in stdio.h. And then we also need to compare strings. So you're going to include string.h. Do we need anything else? I don't think so. So let's make main. So to make this a little bit easier on me, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all of this just so I could kind of get the info on this, and I'm just going to make a comment here. Maybe we can paste this inside of it. Alright, so this will make it where it's easier for me to copy and paste stuff. So let's see, what's the longest here? I think it should be this one. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, so let's create a character here, array, and call this input. So the 12 characters, so 13 should be enough, right? And then what we need to do is take in the number of elements. So this goes up to 200, so we can say elements. And then we need to account for the sides. We can use an unsigned. Let's do long int. Let's call this one sides. It should equal to 0 LU. Alright, so once we have that, we need to go ahead and take in the number of elements. So we're going to do a scanf here, and we're going to do a %d and ampersand, and take in the number of elements. Alright, so we're going to say while elements minus minus. Then we need to go ahead and take in our string. So we're going to do scanf. I'll do %s, and then take in the input. We just need to do some comparisons for this. I think that's why I had this up here. Alright, so let's say if, and then what we need to do is use string compare. So I'm going to use not here, str, and then cmp. And this is going to go ahead and take in the input, and then whatever we want to compare with. So what I'm going to do is just copy this right here. I don't know why that is highlighted. Oh, that's weird. So I'll copy this. Let me see if it actually copies everything. Quotations. I'm going to paste it. Oh, so that's good. Alright, so if we have tetrahedron. Then you're gonna say that sides is gonna plus equal to, so 4 for u. All right, and what I'm just gonna do is just duplicate this and add an if. No, I'm just add an else and then add an if. So copy this. Just gonna paste it. All right, and the next one is cube. I'm gonna copy this, and we're just gonna replace this with cube. And for cube, it should be 6. So I'm gonna make this 6, and I'm gonna copy this again. And then it's this one. I'm gonna copy that and paste. Should be 8. I'm just gonna paste again. Copy. Alright. And so it should be 12. Alright, 12. And then for the last one, we don't really have to check, so we could just say that it's going to equal to size is going to equal to 20. Alright, so now we have this. We can just go ahead and print the sites. Do percent value and then sites. Alright, so to test this in means I have to type, and I don't really want to type. So what I'm going to do is just copy this and put this on submit. It looks pretty correct to me. So inputs that, let's make sure that this runs. Okay, so it just runs without any errors, so we should be okay. Copy this. And then go back to Codeforces in the Submit tab and paste and submit. There you go. And it's accepted. Alright guys, this will be it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day. Bye bye.